Good afternoon to everyone. So this is Selukmar from National College of Technology and Department of Computer and Engineering. So this is Unit 2 Typography. So now I'm going to tell about lecture today about analyzing aesthetics as per laws of design principles. So analyzing aesthetic as per laws of design principles. So aesthetic is a core design principle that defines a designing pleasing qualities. So analyzing aesthetics through the lens of design principles involving examines various elements and how they interact to create a visual harmony and appeal. A structured framework for understanding and evaluating the visual appeal and effectiveness of design across various disciplines. So by analyzing aesthetics through these design principles, so designers can evaluate the effectiveness of their designs and make informed decisions to enhance visual appeal, so usability and communications. Through the analysis of the relationship between form and functions and the aesthetic, designers are able to produce compositions that are both harmonious and captivating, striking a deep chord with viewers. So effectively evaluate and enhance the aesthetic of their designs across various mediums, from graphic designs to architecture. So whether the creating a logo, website, poster or a product, so understanding the laws of design principles empowers the designers to create a compelling and impactful experience, so that resonate with the audience on an emotional and cognitive level. So when analyzing aesthetics according to the laws of design principles, so several factors come into play. So here are some key considerations. So alignment, spacing and lighting and shadowing. The first one, alignment. So placing components in a relational to one another or a common axis known as alignment. So consistent alignment, whether it be a justified, so left, right or center, establishes rhythm and order in the visual representation. So the general appearance and readability of the design are improved when elements are aligned along shared edges or axes. So consistent alignment creates a sense of order and professionalism in a design. So alignment affect the flow of visual information within a design. So analyzing aesthetics through the principles of design alignment involves understanding how the arrangements and the positioning of element contribute to visual harmony, coherence and appeal. So proper alignment contribute to visual balance by distributing visual weight evenly throughout the designs. Diagram for alignment. So alignment principle: center, left, right and the justification. So these are the analyzing aesthetic as well as of design principles. Spacing. So using face effectively in a logo designs, so catalogs and reports will aid to engagement with the client's imagination. So when a client imagination is engaged, it makes them more likely to connect with the meaning and messaging within a design project. That provides the opportunity for client to let their imagination roam freely and making connections between elements where the gaps have been left. For example, ensure that information is absorbed more effectively. So face can be used effectively to create visual hierarchy and group contain graphic design elements together or keep them separate and so clearly where sections then start and finish. So in the design of brochures, annual reports and websites, so use of space allows for a less dense and presentation of information. Lighting and shadows. So lighting and shadows are depth and dimension to design by creating the illusion of three-dimensionality of two-dimensional surface. So properly applied lighting and shadows can make elements appear more realistic and tactile, enhancing the overall aesthetic quality of the design. So lighting and shadow play a crucial role in setting the mood and the atmosphere of design. So differentiate lighting techniques such as warm or cool lighting, soft or harsh shadows can evoke various emotions and create different visual experience for the viewer. For example, warm soft lighting may create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. So while cool and which also improve the design's overall aesthetics appeal. So lighting and shadows help to convey the texture and the surface details of object within a design. So diagram for lighting and shadows. So lighting in is bright shadow, bright pencil colors, and shadow will be in the back side of a pink color wall. So this is the difference between lighting and shadows. The grids. So grid system provides a framework for organizing a content and spacing elements within a design. So by aligning elements to grid, and designers can achieve visual harmony and consistency and balance. So grid based layouts help maintain orderly and spacing and create a structural aesthetic. So grid provides a structured framework for organizing a content and elements within a design. So by dividing the layout into columns and rows, grids establish a sense of order and hierarchy, enhancing to overall aesthetic quality of the design. Designers can improve the aesthetic clarity and readability of a design by creating an obvious and interactive visual path for the viewers by grouping comparable item in a close proximity and aligning elements to the grid. So this is all about analyzing of aesthetic laws of principle of design in UIUX elements. Thank you.